So, something a little different. Normally I'm walking up towards the lock, but I figured this time I would kind of show a little more of the town. This is Ridge Street, just one street over from Portage where the locks are. That way is towards the hospital, right up that way. And down there, of course, you can see the International Bridge. And hopefully the wind's not too bad. You can still hear me. If we come back this way, walk. I'll try to walk briskly so this isn't a super long video. I generally am a brisk walker anyway. And it's hard to see past that big tree. Wow, I'm a poet. But down there is the post office, the Salvation Army, kind of I'd probably say the core of downtown. Here to the left, down here is where the locks are in Portage. And ooh, someone's ready for Halloween early. Ooh, spooky, spooky. So all these houses down here are all pretty old. I don't live far from here. Mine's early 1900s. This large blue house. Whoa! Oh, Argo saw that. Oh, look at him go up there. Where'd he go? Where is he, Argo? Oh, he's gonna be thinking about this all day now. There's a pole we normally walk by. The squirrel ran up once, and he looks up there every time now. He sees him. So, come on, dog. Come on. Come on, we gotta keep going. Come on, Argo. I think he has some sort of like pointer or something in him. His prey drive is something else. Come on, dog. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. Okay, I think maybe he's okay now. Anyway, this house there was built in 1899. Blue house. Yeah, doing construction down here, or road work on Portage, so we'll see how weird everything is as far as traffic or sidewalks. There's a VFW, of course, on the left. On the right, that building is kind of blue with those, what you call them, the cedar-shaped pillars, kind of. There's several businesses in there, like there's apartments on the back and upper level, and then on the front, there's a few businesses. One of them's a bakery that I think I mentioned before, I'd never find it's open. And when it is open, I don't have my wallet with me, which is the case right now. Come on, dog. Sure enough, bakery's closed. Here's the downtown directory. Of course, we are right there. All that. If you can hear me, there's the viewing platform for the lot. That's going to hang a left. Well, it might be like a little museum sometimes. Here is Jack and Max, which I keep meaning to go in there, and I've still yet to do it. Probably because I always have Argo with me, and I can't bring him in. Oh, I see someone with a dog up there. So we're not going to call it jaywalking. We're going to call it a strategic turn. show the camera this way as I cross. I'll point it back. It's quite windy, so I don't know how well you can hear me. And then there we are, back towards the bridge. So this building they've been working on ever since I got here. And probably the core of downtown is over there with all the most of the shops and there's a couple bars, restaurants. A really good Greek place, really good. So next time I'll head that way. But for now, I'm gonna finish up this good boy's walk so I can get back to work. So I will, if you want, just let me know and I will go downtown, more downtown, and show that next time. So till then, I'll catch you later.